In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Gmail name. Maybe you recently got married, you're rebranding yourself professionally, or you just want the name people see when you email them to look a little more polished. Whatever the reason, updating your display name in Gmail is quick and easy once you know exactly where to go. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Gmail. You can do this in any web browser by going to the Gmail website and signing into your account if you're not already logged in. This process is done in the desktop version of Gmail, so it's best to be on a computer rather than a mobile app. Once your inbox is open and you can see your emails, you're ready for the next step. Now, look toward the top right corner of the Gmail interface. You should see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click that gear icon. A small panel will slide open, showing a quick settings menu. From here, you'll want to open the full settings area so you have access to all the options. Near the top of that panel, click on the option that takes you to all settings. This will bring you to a page with multiple tabs across the top. Here is where you can control everything from your inbox layout to filters and forwarding. Next, find and select the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Click on that tab. This section is where you manage your account-related settings, including how your email appears when you send messages to others. Give the page a moment to load, then scroll down until you see the section called Send Mail As. This area controls the name and email address people see when you send them an email. Under Send Mail As, you'll see your current name and email address. To change how your name appears, look for a link on the right that says Edit Info next to the address you want to update. Go ahead and click Edit Info. A small window will appear with options for the name associated with that email. In this window, you'll see your current name displayed, usually with a radio button selected. Below that, you'll see another field where you can type a new name. Click in the box where you can enter a different name and type the name you want others to see when they receive an email from you. This could be your full name, just your first name, or a professional variation that matches your brand or business. Once you've typed your new name, double check the spelling and capitalization. This is exactly what your recipients will see in their inboxes, so it's worth taking a second to make sure it looks right. When you're happy with it, make sure the radio button next to your new name is selected. Finally, click the Save button at the bottom of that window. Gmail will apply the change, and from now on, when you send an email using that address, recipients will see your updated name. If you want to confirm, you can send a test email to yourself or to another account and check how your name appears. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Gmail name.